Hi everyone, just a quick video. I've just come to pick a customer's vehicle up. Obviously I was wearing latex gloves, so our protocol in a minute, obviously we have some of the old trusty Dettol wipes, so I'll give the customer's keys a good clean, obviously, just to make sure we're on top of everything. Then obviously just give the steering wheel a wipe round. Just making sure everything's clean at this weird time we're going through at the moment, and just giving people a bit of peace of mind. Gear sticks, door handles, keys, we're just making sure everything's nice and clean and the customer is happy and my staff are happy with what they're picking up. So every time we pick a vehicle up or we're getting in and out of a car, this is what we do. Stick that in the bin down there. So I'm happy, they're happy. Let's keep the country moving. Speak to you soon.